Title: Fix Hunched Back. After 60. Simple daily posture routine for senior. Have you noticed lately that your shoulders are starting to round forward? That standing tall doesn't feel as easy as it used to? Maybe you've caught your reflection in a mirror and thought, when did I start bending like this? You're not alone. Millions of seniors experience what's often called a hunched back or kyphotic posture, that forward rounding of the upper spine that sneaks up over the years. But here's the truth most people don't know: you can fix it. Yes, even after 60, you can train your body to stand taller, move easier, and breathe deeper again. All with a few simple daily exercises. In this video, I'll walk you through a complete, safe, and easy-to-follow posture routine designed specifically for seniors. No gym, no fancy equipment. Just you, a few minutes, and the determination to stand tall again. Let's start by understanding what's really happening to your body and how we can reverse it. The truth behind the hunched back. As we age, our lifestyle changes. We sit more, move less, and often spend hours reading, watching TV, or looking down at our phones. Over time, our chest muscles shorten, our back muscles weaken, and our spine naturally begins to curve forward. That slow curve, if left unchecked, leads to stiffness, fatigue, balance problems, and even shallow breathing. But here's the good news: your spine is alive. It's not fixed in place like stone. With consistent movement and gentle strengthening, your posture can change at any age. So if you've ever thought, it's too late for me, this routine is proof that it's not. Step 1. The awareness reset. Before we fix your posture, we must reconnect with how your body feels. Stand tall against a wall. Gently press the back of your head, shoulders, and hips against it. Do they all touch? Or does your upper back curve away? Don't worry if it does. That's exactly what we're going to improve. Take a deep breath in, then exhale slowly. Imagine your spine lengthening, your chest opening, your shoulders melting back. That's posture awareness, the foundation of every movement we'll do today. Step 2. Shoulder blade activation. Reclaim your upper back. The upper back, or thoracic region, is often the first to weaken with age. When it does, the shoulders roll forward, pulling your spine into a hunch. To reverse that, try this simple move. Sit or stand tall. Gently squeeze your shoulder blades together. Hold for 5 seconds. Release. Repeat 10 times. Think of this as your posture reset button. It strengthens the muscles that literally pull your shoulders back into place. Do it daily, even while watching TV or waiting for water to boil, and your upper back will thank you. Step 3. Chin tuck, the neck lifeline. A hunched back usually comes with a forward head, that turtleneck posture that strains your neck muscles and spine. But this tiny movement can realign everything. Sit tall. Look straight ahead. Without tilting your head, gently pull your chin straight back, like you're making a small double chin. Hold for 3 seconds, then relax. Do this 10 times. This move strengthens your deep neck muscles, the ones that hold your head properly above your shoulders. After a few days, you'll notice your neck feels lighter and taller. Step 4. The chest opener. Undo years of tightness. A hunched back isn't just weak muscles. It's also tight ones, especially across your chest. When your chest muscles shorten, they pull your shoulders inward. To open them up, stand tall and clasp your hands behind your back. Straighten your arms and lift your chest slightly forward and upward. Hold for 20 seconds. Breathe deeply. You'll feel your chest expand and your lungs fill more easily. That's what it feels like to reclaim your space, literally opening your body to better posture. Step 5. Seated twist. Free the spine. When the spine stiffens, your whole body moves less fluidly. This gentle twist brings life back to it. Sit tall on a sturdy chair, feet flat on the ground. Place your right hand on the back of the chair, left hand on your thigh. Inhale deeply, then gently twist your upper body to the right, looking over your shoulder. Hold for 10 seconds, then switch sides. Do this 2 or 3 times on each side. It improves flexibility in your upper back and restores natural spinal rotation, something we lose when we spend too much time sitting still. Step 6. Wall angels, the posture rebuilder. This one's powerful for strengthening your entire back chain, from shoulders to spine. Stand against a wall with your heels, hips, back, and head touching. Raise your arms into a goalpost position. Elbows bent, palms facing forward. Slowly slide your arms up and down the wall, keeping your back flat. Move slowly. Feel your muscles working. Do this 10 times. If it's hard at first, that's okay. Every rep